Meaning of feckless.
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 Feckless. Feckless is an adjective that describes someone who is ineffective, irresponsible, or lacking in determination or strength of character. A feckless person is often seen as careless, disorganized, and incapable of completing tasks efficiently. They may be unreliable, unproductive, and prone to mistakes, leading to negative consequences for themselves and those around them. Being feckless can limit one's potential and opportunities for success, as it reflects a lack of initiative and drive. Overall, being feckless is not a desirable quality and can have significant consequences in personal and professional contexts.